Do you want to find out where your iPhone was made? Whether you're curious if it was made in USA, China, or another country, you can easily check the manufacturing country of your iPhone. This guide will show you how. Solution 1. Use 3U tools to check iPhone's country of origin. Download and install 3U tools. Visit the official 3U tools website and make sure to install this 3U tools app on your PC. Connect your iPhone to your computer. Use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to the computer. Unlock your iPhone and tap Trust when prompted to trust the computer. Launch 3U Tools. Open the 3U Tools application on your PC. Your iPhone should appear in the main window under the Device tab. Check iPhone information. In the Device tab, you will see detailed information about your iPhone. Look for the sales region. You can see my iPhone 13 Pro was manufactured from Korea. Solution 2. Use model numbers to find out manufacturer region. From these 3U tools, you can see the sales model number. Take a note of 2-letter before slash. For this phone, this is KH. Now open a browser. Type iPhone region iPhone wiki. I'll leave the link in the description. Tap model regions. Click on it. Here, you need to match your last 2 letters, since I had KH, which represents China or South Korea. If you have LL, which represents USA or Canada. By following these steps, you can easily find the country where your iPhone was made. Let me know if you need more help or have any questions.